I am here again. Today we're going to be making a volcano. But before we start to erupt our volcano, let me tell you 5 facts about the volcano. Okay, let's move on to the facts. But before I tell you about a volcano, let me tell you the layers of the earth. Fact 1. What are the layers of the earth? The outer layer of the earth is called the crust. The second layer of the earth is called the mantle. The third layer of the earth is called the core. 2. What is a volcano? A volcano is a mountain with an open downward hole which leads to magma below the surface of the earth. The difference between lava and magma. The difference between lava and magma is a liquid molten rock that is inside of a volcano, and lava is a liquid molten rock that flows out of a volcano. 4. What causes a volcano to erupt? The earth crust are made out of plates. They fit together like jigsaw puzzles. But as the plates start to collide into each other, the magma starts to squeeze out from underneath the plates, which causes the volcano to erupt. 5. What is the Ring of Fire? Over half of the Earth's active volcanoes are located around the belt of the Pacific Ocean. That, my friends, are what we call the Ring of Fire. Okay, now I'm done telling you about the 5 facts about the volcano. Are you guys excited to erupt your own volcano? Today I am going to be demonstrating 2 volcano experiments with citric acid or vinegar. This will give you an idea about a volcano in real life. Okay, here are the things you will need to erupt our volcano. Red cabbage powder, which acts as our acid-base indicator. Citric acid, which acts as our acid. Baking soda, which acts as our base. I have a pipette, I have a medium scoop and a small scoop, some warm water, a stir stick, and plastic cups. Okay, for our first demonstration, I'm going to be using citric acid. As you can see, my brother made me a volcano mold, and I'm going to be using this as a demonstration. First, we need to add 3/4 cup of warm water into our volcano mold. Next, I am going to be taking 1 teaspoon of red cabbage powder and pouring it inside my volcano mold and stirring it up. I'm done stirring it. Now I'm going to be taking 1 tablespoon of citric acid and pouring it into my volcano mold, and I'm going to stir it again. Finally, I am going to be taking 1 tablespoon of baking powder and pouring it inside my volcano mold. Wow, can you guys see the carbon dioxide releasing? Okay, for our second demonstration, I am going to be using vinegar. As you guys can see, you can see the experiment very clearly. First, I'm going to be pouring 2/3 cup of water into my test tube. And I'm going to be mixing some food dye for fun. soda into our test tube. Next, I am going to be adding 2 drops of dish soap into my test tube. And I'm going to be stirring it up. Finally, I am going to be adding some vinegar. Wow, can you guys see that? As you guys saw, both of the demonstrations are the same. We just used different things. So, the citric acid and vinegar neutralized each other when the baking soda was added into them, which caused a chemical reaction. The bubbles are proof that there was carbon dioxide gas because each and every tiny bubble is filled with carbon dioxide gas. As the bubbles start popping, the carbon dioxide gas is released into the air. Thank you guys for watching our video. I hope you guys enjoyed making the volcano with us. Bye! See you next time!